I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to disable and stop Netflix automatically playing the next episode in a series. And to be clear, this will disable the Autoplay Next episode feature on all of the platforms where you access Netflix. Step 1. Open the Netflix mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon in the menu on this screen. You'll land on the My Netflix screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Manage Profiles. Step 4. Tap to choose the profile you want to disable the Autoplay Next episode feature for. The Edit Profile screen for that profile is displayed. Step 5. Tap to toggle off Autoplay Next episode. Going forward, regardless of what platform you're accessing Netflix on, the next episode of a series will no longer play when you finish an episode. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.